Ready to boost your eBay sales and stack up those profits? Let's get started. First things first, take great photos of your items. Clear, bright images grab attention and build trust. Next, write detailed and honest descriptions. The more info you give, the more confident buyers will feel. Now, research similar items to set a competitive price. Check sold listings to see what people are actually paying. And don't forget to offer free shipping if you can. Buyers love it. Also, always aim for fast, reliable shipping. Good reviews can make or break your eBay store. And speaking of reviews, don't be shy to ask happy buyers for feedback. Positive reviews build credibility and boost sales. Lastly, keep an eye on your eBay fees. Know what you're being charged and adjust your prices accordingly. So there you have it. Snap great pics, write clear descriptions, price smartly, ship fast, and watch those profits grow. Happy selling!